This is Mustang Lakes in Celina, Texas. An amazing thing happens when you arrive at Mustang Lakes. You just slow down. You have to take it all in. The winding roads, the canopy of native oak trees, the fountains and lakes. You'll feel a world away, yet you're just a short drive from Highway 380, Central Expressway, and the Dallas North Tollway. East of Preston Road, the topography of the area changes from flat prairies and farmland to rolling hills, creeks, and lakes. Mustang Lakes master plan takes advantage of this natural beauty with 15 lakes, a number of creeks, and more than 160 acres dedicated to open space for residents to enjoy fishing, hiking, and biking along the extensive trail system. Friendly and welcoming for the whole family, featuring resort-style swimming pools, a state-of-the-art fitness center, competition tennis courts, and surrounded by a sprawling 20-acre park with a private lake and island, the club at Mustang Lakes is more than an amenity center. It's like a country club in your own backyard. Instead of a golf course, they have serene lakes and expansive trails and green space for all to enjoy. The club at Mustang Lakes, previously the Folsom family ranch home, underwent a total renovation to expand the original home to 12,000 square feet of interior space, plus extensive outdoor verandas and courtyards, interior lounges, meeting rooms, party areas, a kitchen, and a large fitness center overlooking the lake and resort-style pool. Amenities at Mustang Lakes include front yard maintenance included in the HOA fee, a 5-acre stocked lake with an island, a fishing deck and bridges, junior Olympic pool, resort and tot pool with waterfalls, tanning decks, competition tennis courts, basketball courts, an amphitheater, nearly 10 miles of trails, and a playground.
So tell me, I've been all right. I've been
Mustang Lakes is on the site of a real Texas ranch where thoroughbred horses were bred, raised, and trained. It was owned by former Dallas Mayor Bob Folsom. Known as Twin Eagle Farms, many horses went on to win significant purses at races all around the country. Notably, one horse, Reluctant Guest, was named Mare of the Year in 1989. Ultimately, Mustang Lakes will have approximately 2,000 home sites, ranging from prices starting in the 300,000s up to $2 million for custom builds. So if you'd like more information on the different builders or to schedule a tour of Mustang Lakes, call us at 469-998-3322.